In V1.7, we're dealing with geometrical sequences. A geometrical sequence has a first term and a common ratio, common multiplier. So in this first one, you can clearly see that A is 5. Then we've got to ask ourselves, what's the common ratio? Well, 15 is the second term, 5 is the first term. And you can see, to get from 15 to 45, we multiply it by 3. To write out the sequence, it's probably easier, rather than writing the expression, just to write it up as a pattern. So 45 times 3, times 3 again, 3, 6, 4, 5, and that will continue on. The rule for the sequence, unlike the arithmetical sequence, that's as far as we can go. To find the 7th term, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 3, 6, 4, 5. Or to confirm, the 7th term is 3, 4, 6, 4, 5. We'll plug that expression, plug into the expression. And when you put that into your calculator, you will get the 3, 6, 4, 5 that we got in A. Working through the next couple, we'll do those algebraically. First term, 6,400, and you should be able to see the second term divided by the first is 0.5. Now we'll stick to using decimals in this subject and not make use of the business of using fractions. Now at this point I can then make use of the equation. So if I want to find the 10th term, and if we plug that in, that will give us 12.5. Now, in the second example on this page, we go from 6 to negative 24. So my common ratio is negative 4, and my first term is 6. To show that is all to the power, we put brackets around it. And to find the 12th term, we simply plug that into the calculator and we'll end up with 100663296 as our answer. Now the tadpoles, firstly, you can see that there's not a common difference. The first to the second is 60, then we go 63. So it's likely that this will form an AP. I'll write down the first term though. And what I'll do, I'll test the second month over the first month, and we'll see what we get there as common ratio. Checking that again, with the 4th and the 3rd month, I get exactly the same common ratio. The sequence rule then, to find the expected number of tadpoles at the end of the next month, well that's 25. And that's to the power of 4. And when we do that, 1459 tadpoles. number of tadpoles after 12 months in a similar way. 12 take 1 is 11, and I get 2,052 tadpoles.